Hello, welcome to the Apps AI demo. Today, we will be focusing on to identify high-risk overdue invoices for SAP B1 and to send a notification to the finance manager over Teams. Well, managing overdue invoices is one of the most crucial tasks for finance teams, and it can be time-consuming and prone to oversight. If overdue invoices are not promptly addressed, then this can majorly impact cash flow and cause unnecessary stress on business operations. Therefore, today we will show you that this workflow makes it easier to find overdue invoices with large outstanding amounts, specifically those above $500. So your finance team can focus on what matters most. So without wasting further time, let's quickly get into this workflow design. In today's demo, I have designed this particular workflow in Appsy AI to streamline and automate the process of identifying overdue invoices using SAP Business One as the back office ERP system and how we can categorize these invoices by risk levels, ensuring the finance team focuses on the highest priority items first. Based on that, it will send a notification to the finance manager on Teams. Now, let me quickly showcase the steps of the workflow first. After that, I'll execute this flow, and based on that, it will send a notification to the respective stakeholder on Teams. Before explaining the flow, let me quickly go back to SAP Business One and open invoice list. So as we can see that there are total 7 open invoices available in SAP Business One, and the doc number starts from 10,003 to 10,009. Now let me quickly go back to this workflow part. So the steps are as follows. Based on a particular schedule option, it will fetch the required open invoices from SAP Business One, which I have already showcased. And as you can see in this node also, there are total 7 open items available in SAP Business One. Based on that, it will identify the overdue invoices, and it will only identify those invoices which are from this current financial year. Only those invoices will be catered as overdue. Once this process is done, we are actually collecting the relevant invoices into one proper data set. Then we are putting the AI logic, open AI logic, to make sure that out of all overdue invoices, it should be flagged as high risk and send the notification on Teams. So the logic is as follows, where an invoice is considered overdue if dog due date is earlier than today's date, along with the outstanding amount. And we will consider the invoice at high risk if total amount due is greater than, for an example, $500. It could be 500, 800, 1000, depending upon the business need and the scenario. And after putting up this OpenAI logic, what we have done, we are converting it into a proper JSON format after taking the output, and we are splitting the high risk invoices from all the open invoices so that we should know that which invoices flagged as high risk. And we are also fetching the business partner, or rather the customer details from SAP to associate with those invoice details. So we are fetching the customer details such as their card name, the business partner details of the contact information, the email address if available, phone number. And once we get the customers associated with the invoice, we are sending a notification to the teams. So this node helps to send the notification, and it can be to any particular department. It can be a finance manager, it can be IT department or a technical team. So we can either provide it to a stakeholder's Teams ID or in a chat group. And based on that, it will notify that department or the customer so that they can follow up based on the high risk overdue invoices with the prospect. And along with that, we're using Airtable, where we can add the list of the high risk overdue invoices so that the customer can view it in a proper documented format. I- Instead of Airtable, one can use Google Document or Google Sheet as well. So once I have explained the steps, I'll quickly run this workflow to make sure that the desired output to be shown in the Teams channel. And we will see that what are the overdue invoices with high risks flagged to the required stakeholder. So as you can see that the flows have been executed, I'll quickly go back to the Appsy AI flow, and we can see that we have mentioned that more than $500, it will take all the invoices. That is why it has taken three invoice IDs, 7, 8, and 9, where the amount is more than 500. For 9, it's 580. For 8, it's 692, and for 7, it's 3499, along with the customer name, their email, and the due date of the invoice. So, this is what I have designed for this session. For more contents, please subscribe to our channel of Appsy AI in YouTube, and where we will be presenting with a lot of different AI workflows with the AI capabilities. So stay tuned, and thank you so much.